Good morning, class 7. Today we will know about greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Human activity is directly linked to climate and therefore human activities are changing the climate. Changes in the climate affect the ecosystem and that results in severe repercussion. There has been a continuous rise in the global temperature in the last 30 years, which is a huge consequence on a wide range of climate related to factors which we will know. There are oil spoilage and gas flaring in the environment. Fossil fuel burning and deforestation, which produce greenhouse gases, are on increase. This phenomena is known as greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases act like a blanket into the atmosphere and these cause the temperature of the earth warmer. This makes the temperature warmer. The greenhouse effect is referred to the role of the atmosphere in insulating the planet from heat loss. Sunlight which enters the atmosphere and a portion of it is absorbed by the earth's surface. The large amount of energy, sun energy, is reflected back or it bounces back off the earth's surface in thermal infrared radiation and travels towards the atmosphere. At this point, this greenhouse gas, which have water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide in the atmosphere, they trap the thermal radiation and reflect it back towards the earth's surface. These gases act like a blanket to keep the earth warmer. Under normal conditions, where the atmosphere contains naturally occurring concentration of greenhouse gases, this effect keeps the average global temperature at 14 degrees centigrade instead of very cold, that is minus 19 degrees centigrade. We definitely need this blanket to keep us warm, otherwise we will not survive. But unfortunately today human being is not using their ways or not using the environment properly. Their works is affecting the environment and due to which the concentration is increasing and the gases in the atmosphere also causing global increase in the global temperature. Next is, what are the causes for the greenhouse effect? The first and foremost cause is the burning of the fossil fuel. Now, what are fossil fuels? Fuels that we get under the after digging or under the ground, like coal, oil, natural gas. These are known as fossil fuels because they are formed after a long, which these things are widely used in present days, and their requirement on a large basis is to produce electricity and for transportation. When they are burned, when these gases are burned, then carbon dioxide stored inside them are released, which combines with oxygen in the air and then they produce carbon dioxide. With the increase of the population, the demand of these things have also increased, number of vehicles has increased, and so the population has and the pollution also have increased in the atmosphere. When these vehicles are running, they release carbon dioxide, which is one of the main gases responsible for this greenhouse effect. Also, electricity related emissions are high as we all depend on coal for electricity generation, which releases large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. next day we will do rest of the topics.